one.
We are the Rock and Fishing Boys. And today we come, what's the name again?
Chaquacabana,
The
yeah.
Chaquacabana. And Nathan got a nice lippy. We caught one into ground on a plum.
So we start the video later. Again, any shout outs?
There was one named Marcus Brown.
And
Kiaban.
Harry Rambo Park, so happy with a shout out.
Yeah, happy birthday.
And we shout out Plateau, Lippy Boss, and the whole crew here. And Nathan now catches Lippy, a nice big Lippy.
And we catch a squid.
Yeah,
Make
we'll show
that
the
we
squid here.
bucket after now.
Yeah, hold
I
up.
can't hook this man.
I come and
I will show them the bucket, right? So we're in Chaquacabana fishing. And we have Ravi here too. Ravi fishing with me and easy bucket here, some bait we have here. And like a squid.
It's a plenty new water,
Yeah,
but
plenty
it's hard to
water
catch
here.
them.
So we have a light.
Just now, it has a real bait all over.
Yeah, we have a light set up here for the bait to come look something like a little snake there. And we throw in net. And we're using that. And Nathan now catches nice lippy here.
And Daddy, never reaching far. Look how far the line going. From there, from the post.
Oh, a short little line he set up here at the back.
Because all the time we do this is only stonefish I catch. I surprised I catch this.
Right in the back right here. Yeah.
I set the line quite so and up here on the
Oh.
jetty.
And I hold it up there, let's see how big it is now. A nice size
And
one.
if I could drop the line on the jetty.
A big lippy, a nice big one he catches. Yeah, shout out to anybody again?
Life 11.
Oh, Life 11. And Fat Boy and Harry. And Plateau. Alright, so I'll let you know if you catch anything again. A nice fish here.
This is
Yeah.
not getting bite from one.
I want to try him out. You want to try him out hole?
Yeah.
The cal catch your first fish.
This is one
A
game.
plummet. That was biting you?
You see how I seen again, real bite?
Yeah.
I cannot follow
First fish.
him.
And I could just use it and tie it up onto the thing and then throw it on.
We are Nathan and the whole team here. Put him in the bucket here, bring the bucket in the water.
That's what I want to do.
Go and get the bucket rest around.
Is that
Alright, Nathan, see you have something else in the back
Go,
here.
boy.
me? You wanna pull him? Mommy.
Mommy, come pull him. Them swim back down.
Bring him up now.
Swim back down.
See there's something here.
Mommy, I'll pull him up.
Oh, a crappie fish.
Yeah. Non-poisonous.
They're
Again,
catching at the back of the jetty.
I get the pliers. I got the pliers. And my second fish.
So we have Ravi here. Ravi feeding all the fish. We ain't gonna catch nothing big yet. We will let them know if we catch anything big. Then I'll catch a couple fish. I'll go to again.
Let's sink, let's sink.
You catch? What you catch? Oh yeah man, catch some man. Yeah man, catch some nice ones here. Some put it in the arm, catch across some put it in the bucket. Look, I'll catch some more bit again. You don't come and help him now.
I don't want him to fall.
He's up in the bucket full of good water right now.
That plenty there. The base is now almost in the tree, you know.
Yeah, I know.
I'll catch all of them.
Water?
Yeah, that. It's done. Come now.
You don't come and help Carl take all the bait now.
Hello.
Come. A grandy guy?
It jumped.
Come, yeah, let's stand up.
That's not right.
Come here, let's walk down.
Oh, crap.
I think now about grandy
Look
guy.
at that big moonshine.
Moonshine? Look here, look, bring it. It's a fish. It's a
Moonshine.
moonshine boy. You will have big moonshine, hey boy.
Sebastian pulling
Put it up, put it up.
Where that from?
Yeah. Bring it in, Cal. Take it over. Yeah. A nice moonshine.
Way.
No.
Turn around, son.
Yeah.
Turn around. Pose with the fish. Pose with the fish.
A moonshine, nice
I video
moonshine.
your son.
So the
Fish
fish,
starting to
yeah,
bite,
the
boys.
fish starting to bite there.
now.
I feel it. It was dragging. Like I hear the line reeling. I think it.
done. You get it? What? You get it?
Me no eat anything gone. Look, Cal now throw again. Real bait, Cal catching.
Where
High five.
we coming?
Come on, high five, Cal, high five.
Avoid the light.
Yeah, boy.
Dark over
Yeah.
Yeah. Once Daddy, that was like something big. Maybe like not like big, but like a big Joshua.
Very good cat. It's about hook on the ground there.
Yeah.
We are next half hour fishing there.
Yeah. We gotta catch about 10 more moonshine. I pay me. Cal.
And you had a chance to do this. Oh gosh.
Should I put it in the black bucket first?
No way, go put it in black pocket.
So I chance to see what I wear, but screw something. Something I'll be nuts.
Hey, they're throwing out fish, boy.
Can I get one of them for fish?
Huh? I want
That one in it too.
Hey,
Okay.
wait.
That's a minute. Alright, they're dropping out.
Look at that one. Oh gosh.
Right.
Drop it. Is that plenty more?
Cal bringing in the bait here. We just had to get the fish now. Hey, Cal? You catching the bait, we just had to catch the fish. Right now we are catching no fish.
We're catching slowly.
Slowly. Yeah, Cal say you got to try again. We see him in action. Yeah, hardly opened it, man. Yeah.
I think I still have.
You still have so much shit happening on there?
Yeah.
Yeah, boy, yeah, cool, yeah, boy. You hardly open it.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, man. Cal, yeah, boy, you catch again, boy. Yeah, boy, and you hardly open it.
Oh gosh.
Cal. Yeah, boy.
Man, boy.
Yeah, boy. I thought I say catch you.
As you say that.
Oh, as I said that. Oh. You train better than Ethan, man. Alright. You want to jump out in Ethan?
You want more?
Good one, cool. Right. The probably not out in the bucket now.
Take more sheep.
Yeah.
And look at my book.
Yeah? Ah, come on. Alright. So, full up with some live bait now.
Yes. And you can actually.
Nice, yeah. A nice redfish, man. Yeah, keeper, man. Yeah, like the now coming, tide changing.
Good size, good size.
Nice.
Starting to add, I started to add to my one from last week.
Eh? Yeah, why?
That's good.
You have to see bringing in something here. Again it. Wait, is that red? Hey, our nice reds, boy.
Apag. Hey,
Apag.
alien snapper. Wait, that's a sub.
Hey,
Watch
that's
it.
up.
That's sub.
Yeah, boy. You fishing out something.
Alien snapper.
Put this on the ball.
Break the dock.
Yeah.
Brandon. Waiting on your son.
Hey, that's a ow. Hey, that's alien snapper.
Catching some squid to fry later.
And that?
Yeah.
A big one.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go after the dinner.
US good.
That's a big one.
So much you catch?
Yeah.
Nice, sir.
Like you catching in school.
What did you preach this?
What you crease? Just for one more net, Kyle, and the rest could go for them for you so good.
Put yours in this big fly, eh?
Yeah.
Think that should be good?
Yeah, that should be good. But the small one, don't cut up a bit, yeah.
This? No. Yeah, cut out.
Kyle, so you have a small fish. A plummet again. A small little plummet, Kyle catch. Catch and release?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can let him go. So Kyle, yeah. Catch and release. A nice little plummet.
Yeah, look. Fourth.
Yeah, good.
I'm gonna just catch our next plummet.
Alright, catch and release. You go on. Look what you shoot out.
You sure?
Where you going?
Ah, stingray.
This stingray boy.
Stingray?
Is that stingray? Yeah. Yeah, this stingray going with the line.
Daddy, come and see how big it is.
What the hell? What the hell?
Look at the...
Daddy,
What the hell?
hey, Daddy.
Look at the size of that stingray.
What the hell? That is like a mattress. Oh shit.
Nah, I wanna pull him up. I wanna try
You can
to
pull her up.
You cannot pull that up. You cannot pull that up.
It come out?
He come out.
Oh.
That was looking big like a mat.
You see how it was skated?
Yeah, I want to know what take your line so. Like you just pass and hook up to the line.
I thought I had a nice bag. Look, he's come back.
They come back? Oh yeah, they come back. I got to show for them.